It's just spectacularly beautiful this morning. The blue and the shadows and kind of the anxiety that the storm is over, but now it's just beautiful. Yesterday was more anxiety producing for me, but now it was just lovely.
It is a lot of work. I didn't expect it to be this bad. So I wish I'd prepared better. Parked the car out further and gotten more sleep and worked out more. I probably have to do it in stages. Perhaps take a nap in between and then finish.
It's rare, it's so beautiful, and it just changes everything, you know. Instead of a city, it looks like a place up in the Rocky Mountains. It's just spectacular.
The motto is rain, sleet, or snow, the mail must go. We definitely got the snow today. Yesterday was just painful with the sleet and the winds. Today, the hardest part is just the deep snow. Well, I kind of like it as long as it's not every day. This is all right. Something different.
Reminds me of 74. 73, 74. It was this deep. Actually, it's kind of light. It's not a really heavy snow, which is good because then the snowboard can move it.
This morning when people are digging out their cars, it's like a party. There's a camaraderie. Everybody having to deal with the same thing. And on our block, people all out there digging out their cars, shoveling their walks, and everybody was out. It was really nice. You'd think they all want to stay in, but instead, it kind of brings people out, and there's kind of a shared sense of camaraderie about it.